Hello everybody, ¿cómo están todos? Ahora le vamos a poner la troca a mi amigo Andy. Le vamos a poner unas fog lights. We're gonna be replacing some fog lights. So what I do in this case, I already took one off. I look at the new part to see how we're gonna take off the old one. In this case, it pries off. There's two tabs you gotta squeeze in. But let me show you how I do it. You spray a little bit of WD-40 on it, on the one that's on the car that you're gonna take off. I'm gonna spray some WD-40 right here on these three tabs. These three locking plastic deals here. They go under the car so you can see. There she is on the car. So you're gonna spray those three plastic tab deals. Let's see here. After you do that, then you're gonna get your rubber mallet. And you're just gonna give it a little tap right there on those tabs. And it's gonna come right out. It says, you see, it's 1, 2, 3, buddy. There we go. After you do that, you just pull it right out and insert the new one. Like so. You're gonna line those two on the top. And then just push it in place. Just snap right in. There we go. Looking new again. We just replaced the headlights not too long ago. And it's a 2000, I don't want to lie, let's look in here. It's a 2009 GMC Yukon. And we are replacing the fog lights. 10-4. Check it out. See y'all next time.